Hey everyone, and welcome back in today's video. I am going to guide you through the quick and easy process to activate your Bank of America credit card. Activating your card can be done online or through a customer support call. No matter which method you choose, it only takes a few minutes and you can start using your card right away. To activate online, you need to be enrolled in online banking. If you're not enrolled, simply sign in or sign up using your social security number or tax ID and the last 6 digits of your card. Once enrolled, go back to the Bank of America website and log into your newly created account with your email and password. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and your credit card. And just like that, your credit card is activated. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.